Your assessor doesn't just ask if you have a CAPA register, they ask to see it, and then they ask, how do you know the corrective action was effective? Most organizations have a register. Very few have a complete trail, from the nonconformance through the root cause to verified closure. That gap is exactly where audit findings are raised. This is HSZ CAPA Pro V2.0. Let me show you what closing that gap looks like. This is your CAPA register. Every nonconformance, corrective, and preventive action in one SharePoint list live in your own Microsoft 365 environment. Status, priority, owner, due date, visible at a glance across every record. The critical CAPAs view filters instantly to your highest risk open actions, each with a clear owner and target date, closed. This month shows every resolved CAPA for the current period, your management review report built in. Open any record and the complete trail is right there. Nonconformance, root cause, corrective action, ISO clause mapped. Nothing in a spreadsheet, nothing buried in email. Open any CAPA and the full record is there, title, type source, date raised, department. The root cause method is documented, 5Y, fishbone, fault tree, FMEA, alongside the root cause statement and the corrective action taken. Preventive action, assigned owner, target date, ISO clause, all captured on the one record. This is what an assessor looks for, not a summary in a spreadsheet, a complete documented evidence trail from nonconformance through to action. Once the corrective action is complete, the owner updates the status to closed. The record retains everything: the root cause method used, the root cause statement, the corrective action taken, the preventive action implemented. Completion date logged, ISO clause mapped. That record is now permanent evidence, linked to the original nonconformance, visible to any assessor who asks to see it. This is a closed audit trail. Every CAPA Pro site includes a live Power BI dashboard connected directly to your SharePoint data. Total CAPAs, open actions, high and critical priority, closed this month, all updating in real time. No manual reporting, no copy-paste into a slide deck. This is the view you show a management review or hand directly to an assessor, live data from the system your team is already using. CAPA Pro V2.0 includes 3 Power Automate flows, built-in, ready to run. The first fires the moment a new CAPA is saved. The assignee and the person who raised it are both notified instantly. No one has to chase, no action falls through the cracks. The second runs every morning. It scans every open CAPA, flags anything past its target date as overdue, and sends an escalation to the owner and their manager. The third triggers when a CAPA moves to closed. It initiates a multi-stage verification. The quality manager reviews, confirms the root cause was addressed, and signs off on effectiveness before the record is finalized. 3 flows, fully automated, no manual chasing, no missed escalations. This is what separates a CAPA system from a CAPA list. CAPA Pro V2.0 is built to satisfy 2 of the most audited clauses in quality and safety management: ISO/IEC 17025:2017, Clause 8.7, nonconforming work; ISO 45001:2018, Clause 10.2, nonconformity and corrective action. If you're running a NADA-accredited laboratory, this register gives your assessors the documented corrective action trail Clause 8.7 requires. If you're operating under an ISO 45001 safety management system, the nonconformance to closure workflow is exactly what Clause 10.2 demands, built for evidence, designed for audit. HSZ CAPA Pro V2.0 is a SaaS delivery. You purchase once, $347 one-time fee. Within one business day, HSZ Solutions provisions a dedicated SharePoint site in your organization's own Microsoft 365 tenant. You receive a SharePoint invitation by email. Your site is live, branded, configured, Power BI connected, ready to use. No subscription, no ongoing fees. You own your site permanently. The link to purchase is in the description.